So, Time Trial Tuesday again. This week, we're going to try the Legends around short Donington Park. So this will be quite interesting. Don't drive the Legends very often. So we've gone into the official race. We're not actually going to do the race. I'm going to click down here and do a time trial. And that's it. We'll wait for it to register and I'll see you at the track. Okay, here we are then. So we're on the track. It looks like we've got a short run to the first corner. It's the shorter Donington. This car is pretty tricky, so let's see how we get on. 5 laps we've got to do, and I haven't driven this car for a long time, so we've got to rev it, haven't we? I seem to remember. I think this is going to be a challenge this week, just getting 5 clean laps. I think I'll be pretty slow to start with. Anyway, here we go. Just got to work out where the rev limiter is. This first corner's a bit tricky. I think the tyres need to warm up a bit. And Craner curves. It's much steeper in real life than it looks in the sim. Definitely go through there quicker, can't we? Blimey. I think we're going to be pretty slow here. This is a lovely track. Looks like it's mostly going to be 4th to 6th, isn't it? We're not going to be using... Okay, 3rd maybe then. I could probably do that in 4th. We'll see. I'm hoping the tyres will get better. This is going to be a very slow start. So maybe that's 3rd. Maybe. We'll see. Next time around, shall we?
24.608.
Yeah, going a bit quicker now. And 1 gear that time. Yeah, that's a bit quicker. So I imagine we should be in the 19s at some point, if even quicker. Whether we're going to get there or not, I don't know. I don't know what a good lap time is really in this car. It's very squirrely though. So this is, I think maybe even in the 18s we should be, because we're... third this time then, so we get a better drive out. Yeah, we did. A bit better. I'm wondering if 3rd in this corner then.
21.919. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Yeah, it's a bit better. It's feeling a bit more grip now. Not as much as I'd like though. And down a couple of gears. We didn't quite get the drive out though, did we? Maybe. Maybe the higher gear and just carry more speed. Maybe. A bit slower through that. Maybe, well, we're not going to get to the 18s, are we? I don't think. Maybe I was closer to the time than I thought. I'm probably able to take more curb if I wanted to.
.485. You just set your fastest lap of the session.
Not sure where we're going to get to. I just want to cling on to it for as many laps as I can, I think. That's all I can do. Now going wide. Went a bit wide there. Better line through there. Slow, wrong gear. It's a bit slower lap for us. So 21.4 is our best. Slow through there, gosh. Getting slower, not faster. What's going on?
22.
Slow across the line as well. Bit quicker there. So braking earlier and getting on the power earlier is better through there, definitely. Gives us time all the way up this straight. And there. They're going a little bit quicker. Not enough though. Okay, 21.2 now. Or 21.3.
You can continue to do laps and attempt to improve on the time as you like. 21.
Okay, so we've done a time.
Just set your fastest
We'll
lap.
keep on going. Try and do some better laps, or at least some as good laps. That's our best chance, I think. Although my cat has just arrived in the room, so I might have different ideas. He's sort of walking around by my feet, which is not great. It's just in my eye line now as well. Let's see if we can keep going. Gosh, nearly. Let's keep it in this gear. No, no quicker. So we definitely need to come to fourth, I think. Or I need to get a better line. But we'll keep going, so we're still doing decent-ish laps. Might need to be a bit more brave on the brakes, I think. Probably not getting everything out of the car yet.
6. That was your fastest lap of the session.
And a bit braver on the throttle too. It does really want to step out when you hit the throttle. Maybe I need to take some more curb. Straight a line through there. Slower though. We'll keep going till we crash, I think. I'll keep on pushing. I can push harder now. So we'll have a bit of a banzai lap and see how quick we can go.
.493.
Throw caution to the wind. While still trying to get round, obviously. This is the thing with the time trial where you have to do more than one lap. You can't afford to just chuck it around and think, well, I've only got to get one lucky lap. So that's better. A lot better. Might get into the 20s then. Yeah. Well, I'll keep going. We'll do another as quick as I can lap then. That was a 20.6.
20.664. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Earlier onto the power. Okay, that's it. Off track.
We're cutting the course.
Okay. Let's see how we got on. Okay then, so we're in the results page. This is the time trial we've just done. So let's have a look at what we managed then. So our average lap time, 121.8. Our best lap times are 126. And our 5 lap average then was a 21.3. So a fair bit off our best lap time. Ideally, you want to have your best lap time and your best 5 lap average being very close. But yeah, that was a tricky one, that was. Okay, so let's see how we did against everyone else. So we click on the view season standings. It'll take us to the main results for this championship. And then we're looking at not individual season standings. We're looking for time trial results. Here we go. And where are we? Second. Second out of 2. Yeah, 19.9 best 5 lap average. So they were probably going, they might have even dipped into the 18s. Yeah, we're a fair way off, aren't we? Yeah. That was a hard one, actually. It's a tricky car to drive and not go off in. So I could have gone quicker, but wouldn't have got down to this if we'd even had 5 laps at our fastest lap. That was still a 20.6. So Alan Lombardi, much quicker than we are. But we're second. I'll take that. Take a podium. See what you can do. It's a good one. Good fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.